Begin by finding a comfortable position. Allow your body to relax gently, like a leaf settling on still water. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. With each exhale, release tension, releasing any distractions. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this space. In this moment, acknowledge whatever struggle or difficulty you are facing. It's there, and it's okay to feel it. Imagine softly placing a hand on your heart. Feel the warmth of your touch and the strength it symbolizes. Allow yourself to be present with this feeling, simply accepting its presence. Now, invite kindness towards yourself, just as you would offer to a dear friend in need. Silently say, "May I be kind to myself in this moment?" Let these words echo within you, wrapping around whatever hurts. Fill this space with gentle compassion. Recognize your shared humanity in this struggle. Others have faced similar storms. Know that you are not alone. Release any critical thoughts that arise, imagining them dissipating with the next breath you release. Spend a few moments simply breathing, allowing the breath to nurture and soothe. Each inhale fills you with compassion. Each exhale releases judgment. Continue gently, naturally. As you prepare to return to your day, bring the intention to carry this kindness forward. Let this be your gift, to meet the day with the warmth and gentleness you've cultivated. Know you can return to this space of self-compassion whenever you need. Thank you for sharing this moment with yourself today.